Let's talk about the features and benefits of Philips Ledinaire button. It saves up to 60% energy compared to conventional lighting with an efficacy of up to 100 lumen watts. The Ledinaire button is a slim linear luminaire with an open cover available in 5 lamps. It is IP20 and IK02. It comes in lumen outputs of up to 2600 lumen and in 2 color temperatures. The luminaire includes a power supply cable with male connector to feed the luminaire. It can be easily installed individually or in line up to 10 buttons. In the latter case, we offer the possibility of connecting male-female directly or with a junction cable that is also included. In any case, they can be surface mounted by clicking the luminaire into the brackets also included previously installed. Thanks for watching.